Hi, my name is Linda Booth from Dublin Cookery School and author of Fearless Food. I'm going to be making a number of Christmas treats, and right now I'm going to start making these little mini chocolate cakes which would be absolutely beautiful to serve to your guests over Christmas.